Hi folks, Desi here from Howdens. Just going to show you around one of our tool kits here. This is a bottom section, obviously bottom section tool chest, kitted out with tools and all. It's a good kit of tools for any mechanic or whatever, just a bit of quality to them, you know. Obviously there's a lot of different tool kits on the market in all different price ranges and stuff like that. Some of them are a little better than chocolate, really, in the line of quality of the tools. The likes of this tool kit here, selection of pliers and O-ring hooks and screwdrivers and different, but the quality of them is just that's a decent quality tools, like for any guy in a workshop or a garage, especially a guy starting off, you know. There's no point in buying a kit that's going to break in pieces every time you lift a tool. It's going to break in pieces, whereas this here is just that bit better quality. The spanners and all, if you can, I don't know if you can get that there on the camera, but the spanners and all are a decent quality item, you know. You've got your flat files or your selection of files, needle files. You've got your 3/8 inch drive sockets here, 3/2, 3/8 and quarter. Your ratchets and all is there. Down here then you've got your hex, you got your deep and your regular, you got your torics as well too. Again, the quality on these things here, they're not going to break the first time you use them. Go then to your circlip pliers and stuff like that. They kind of speak for themselves, just the quality of those there, you know. You can kind of see the kind of quality of the tools are in those there, they're good, you know. Moving on over here then, you've got your 1/2 inch drive sockets up as far as 32, your ratchets obviously. You've got 17, 19, 22 and 21 and 22 impact sockets. And then down here you've got your multimeter and your tools for your kind of diagnostics and wiring and stuff like that. Hammers, dot punches, roll pin punches, good quality LED light, inspection light, knife and tape, stuff like that. Then your bottom 3 drawers then are available for you to put your power tools and other bits and pieces into as well too, you know. And the quality of these is very good quality wheels and casters on them, fully unlockable and everything else, you know. We have a large range of these boxes in stock in our store and on our website without the tool kits in them. So this one obviously is a tool kit. We'll put a link in on this for you to be able to click directly into it, but we do have them without the tools in a vast range of different sizes and models, you know. So quite a good box for anybody who doesn't want to go too big on the money, but is getting a very good quality box that you can bring to work with you and work with it without any problems. So yeah, have a click at our website or give us a call or pop into the store if you have any questions or queries, and we'll try and help you out with the best we can, whatever budget you're thinking have in mind. Okay, thanks folks.